Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a easy level tree question that I just resolved on my own after over a year. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help after over a year. So first time solved it October 29th, 2024, and I just redid it by myself not too long ago today. So let's do it again. This is question 257, binary tree paths. So you're given a root of a binary tree and just want to return all the paths from the root to the leaf. So every single sublist or every single element will at least include the root node and do it as a string with these arrows pointing to the next node, if there is a next node. Okay, so first let's try to take care of the core problem. Try to get all the root to leaf paths. So I like to do that using depth first search. So let's do that. And let's define our base case where we're on a null node. And let's use a stack called current to keep track of all the nodes in the current path from top to bottom, root to child or root to leaf. So let's go ahead and say cur.append root.value because there is a value attribute. It's not none. And then how do we know that we're at a leaf node? Well, a leaf node, by definition, doesn't have a left or a right child, so we can check for exactly that. So if not root.left and not root.right, so no left child and no right child, then let's go ahead and print this current list. And then we're going to go ahead and recursively explore the left subtree and the right subtree. So let's go ahead and print this. And you can see that we have a problem because after we've gotten to 5, we want to pop the node that we just visited, right? Pop the current root node. So we want to keep popping because pop 5, pop 2, keep the root, right? And then add 3. And then that's where you would end up. So at the end of all these recursive calls, when you reach a leaf node, we're just going to pop. So okay, so now you can see we have everything that we need. Perfect. So let's go ahead and create an answer list. And basically we want this to be a string. So also notice that the last one, because there's no next node to 5, there's no next node to 3, there's no arrow. So let's just say for I, C, and enumerates cur. In addition to adding a string of C, not the integer that we have, we're also going to say if I is less than length of cur minus 1, right? So if we have this list, then these two have next nodes. This one has a next node. So nothing has a next node. In that case, then we're going to add this weird dash arrow. Okay? And then at the end, we can just append now and go ahead and just return self.answer at the end after we visited all the paths from top to bottom. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Let's go ahead and run this, submit it, and there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to solve this question completely on my own without any help. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.